Hi everybody. Today we are going to discussing about synthesis. What about synthesis means combining sentences. Which like combining sentences. It is also according to 10th class students question number 13. My dear students, don't confuse yourself. Simply what about the 6 bits? You better to attempt your annual examination. Then you will get good marks also. Examination paper, examination scrutinizers also they have such kind of good idea. Even 6 bits up to 6 bits every student will be completed means it is a good fetching of your scoring of marks. That's all. Now listen me. Yes, synthesis. What about the synthesis means? Combining the sentences. Simple sentences, how do we combine? These are always we are going to discuss it. For example, two is there. Example, he is very proud. Full stop. He cannot beg. There are two sentences are there, my dear students. Better to notice. He is very proud. Full stop. He cannot beg. What type of sentences? One sentence is a positive sentence. Next sentence is a negative sentence. Of course, cosine tag means very also negative. Maybe according to the 10th standard, you better to understand. Now we are making combining the sentences with two. So answer. He is in the place of very better to take two. Then write proud object plus two plus last object second sentence object beg only. He is too proud to beg. That's all. That is called answer. How? What is the process? What about the principle means? Subject he, helping verb is, plus two, plus object proud, plus two preposition, plus object. What is object? Second sentence, object. That means what we are noticing here means second sentence, negative sentence is there. Subject avoid, he cannot also avoid. That is called what about means two. This is a very simple method, my dear students. Please notice. Then second sentence, second one. So that is there. So that hyphen is there, small hyphen, my dear students. So small hyphen that. Example we will see. He was very tired. Full stop. He needed some rest. There are two sentences, my dear students. Understood? So now we are making answers. He was so tired that he need some rest. Understood? Yes. So again, subject he, helping verb was, so plus object tired. Understood? Plus that, plus subject. What about he? Plus verb need, plus object some rest. That's all. Understood, my dear students? So here is there. He was so tired that he need some rest. That's all. Understood? So now next another one. So that is there. There is no hyphen, my dear students. Better to observe. Here is there. 2 points are there. So that no hyphen. Here is there. So the seed. Full stop. Reap the harvest. There are two sentences are there. Now we are making answer. So the seed, first sentence as it is write down. So that as it is write down. Combine another sentence, second sentence right. You can reap the harvest. So what about here is a second sentence, better to add subject you plus can reap the harvest, right as it is. That is the what about means so that. My dear students, please notice, sow the seed, no more subject, full stop, reap the harvest, no more subject. So that with combine the sentences means, now listen again. So the seed as it is write down, so that better to add, understood? Plus subject you plus can plus second sentence reap the harvest. This is so that means. There are so that. Two so that's are there, you better to observe. One is hyphen, without hyphen is there. This is the formula, my dear students. Now next, unless is there. You must have a ticket, full stop. You can get in, that's all. There are two sentences. Then we are combining now. Unless you have a ticket, you cannot get in, that's all. Unless plus subject. What is the subject? Unless subject you. Subject helping verb have. Objective. Object get in. You have, yes, object a ticket. Object a ticket. Then after again subject you plus can plus what about to not get in, that is called object. Not can plus object. Understood? So my dear students, now better to observe what is what also. Here is the example sentences. You must have a ticket. Positive sentence. You can get in. It is also positive sentence. Then unless you have a ticket, first better to add unless you have a ticket. Understood? Then comma. Here is a comma. You can not get in. Subject plus a helping verb plus not plus object. That's all. Understood? Now next we are going to because. What about because? He starved, full stop. He died. Understood? So now we are making with because combine the sentence. He died. Second sentence you have to take. Because, understood? He starved. That's all. Understood? Subject he, verb died plus because plus subject plus verb. That's all. Not only but also. Understood? It is the most important, my dear students. Not only but also. The thief stole my watch. One sentence. He beat me. Second sentence. Understood? Now we are combining. The thief not only stole my watch but also beat me. Subject. The thief plus not only plus verb stole plus object my watch plus but also plus verb beat plus object. This is called formula for not only but also. My dear students, what about question number 13? According to the 10th class students means active as passive as is there, question tag is there, direct indirect is there. That is grammar. These are always what we are mean. So synthesis, so combining the sentences, so simple sentences means these are also one of the major part. My dear students, there are 6 sentences. So better to do all these things like to do. Thank you listening to me.